Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this adorable pearl saree edging pattern at home. Everyone can make this because it's simple and easy to make. For that we need some pearls and some golden beads. You can create this design on your favorite saree, dupatta, kurti, top, blouse, etc. This will gives you a designer look. So I hope you love my idea. If you have any queries then please comment me below and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivated me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any update, and if you already then you are the boss. Now stay tuned.